In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new customer fast and easy. We'll guide you through the process step by step. So whether you're setting this up for the first time or looking to refresh your skills, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control center where you can manage everything on your website. Make sure you're logged into the admin account so you have full access to all features. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a menu on the left side of the screen. Look for the Users option. It's where all your user data live. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the Users area, you should see a button called Add User. Click on this to move forward. This is where all the magic happens, as you will be entering the customer's details. The first field you'll come across is for the username. It's important to note that this field is required, meaning it must be filled out for you to proceed. Choose a username that's easy for the customer to remember. Next up is the email address field. This is also a required field, and it's crucial for account recovery and notifications. Make sure to enter the correct email as it'll be used for future communications with your customer. Let's move to the personal details. Type in the first name of the customer. While this is not mandatory, it is a good practice to add it for personalization, which can enhance the user experience. Follow this by entering the last name in the next field. Just like with the first name, this isn't compulsory, but having it on file can be quite beneficial. After that, you'll see a section for the website. If your customer has a personal or business website, add the URL here. This part is optional and won't prevent you from adding the new user, but it could be helpful to have. Now let's set a password. You'll notice an option to either auto-generate a secure password or create a custom one. Choose whichever method fits best for your needs, while remembering that it's important for the password to be strong. Make sure to communicate this password to the customer securely. Once all the required and optional fields are filled out to your satisfaction, there's just one more step to finish the setup. Look for the Add User button at the bottom of the screen and click on it. By doing so, you will create the new customer account, and they will receive an email notification with their login details. And there you have it. You have successfully added a new customer in a few simple steps. By organizing all the necessary details up front, this process can be swift and straightforward every time. Thank you for joining me today, and happy managing.